The previous deal between teachers and the province.
Event type is tornado. For Lindsay, Southern Kawartha Lakes. For Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region. For Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region. Tornado warning in effect for Lindsay, Southern Kawartha Lakes, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region. Take cover when threatening weather approaches. Please monitor for further updates to this alert.
Well, folks, that's the new Canada-wide alert system in action there, letting you know that there's a tornado warning right now in and around the Lindsay area.